Welcome to our channel dedicated to the captivating world of mini woodworking projects. Here, we delve into the art of transforming simple wooden materials into stunning decor pieces that not only enhance your living space, but also have the potential to become profitable entrepreneurial ventures. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or an eager beginner, this platform is designed to inspire and guide you through the creative process. With a focus on budget-friendly solutions, we aim to empower you to explore your artistic side while building a business that resonates with your passion for craftsmanship. We are genuinely excited to have you join us on this creative journey. In our upcoming videos, you'll find a treasure trove of innovative ideas, practical tips, and step-by-step tutorials to help you craft beautiful mini woodworking projects. Our goal is to provide you with the tools and inspiration needed to turn your woodworking skills into a successful home decor business. As we explore the endless possibilities that come with these small-scale creations, we encourage you to engage with our community, share your thoughts, ask questions, and showcase your own projects. Together, let's embark on this adventure and unlock the full potential of your woodworking talent. If you enjoyed this video and found inspiration in our mini woodworking projects, we invite you to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue to bring you fresh and exciting content every day, packed with innovative ideas and practical tips for transforming your woodworking skills into beautiful home decor. We encourage you to stay tuned until the end of each video, as we often share valuable insights and additional resources that you won't want to miss. Don't forget to share our videos with friends and family who might also be interested in exploring the world of woodworking. Together, let's create a vibrant community of passionate makers and inspire each other on this creative journey. The world of woodworking offers a unique blend of creativity and practicality, making it an ideal avenue for aspiring entrepreneurs. Crafting mini woodworking projects can serve as a gateway to establishing a successful home decor business without the need for extensive financial investment. The beauty of these projects lies not only in their affordability, but also in their ability to resonate with customers who seek unique, handcrafted items to enhance their living spaces. By focusing on small-scale creations, you can tap into a growing market that values originality and craftsmanship. One of the most significant advantages of mini woodworking projects is their accessibility. Unlike larger furniture pieces that require substantial resources and time, these smaller projects can be completed quickly and often with minimal materials. This allows you to experiment with various designs, styles, and techniques without the pressure of high costs or lengthy production times. As a result, you can refine your skills while building a diverse portfolio that showcases your versatility as a woodworker. Moreover, mini projects often appeal to a broad audience. In today's fast-paced world, many consumers are drawn to items that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and space-saving. Homeowners in urban environments, for instance, often seek decor solutions that maximize their limited space while adding a touch of style. By focusing on mini woodworking projects, you can cater to this demand, creating products that meet the needs of modern consumers who value both form and function. Additionally, the process of creating mini woodworking projects can be incredibly rewarding. Each piece you craft tells a story, reflecting your creativity and craftsmanship. This connection to your work can enhance your passion and drive as an entrepreneur. Sharing this narrative with your customers can also deepen their connection to your brand, making them more likely to choose your products over mass-produced alternatives. Highlighting the craftsmanship involved in each project can elevate your offerings, positioning them as unique treasures rather than mere commodities. Social media platforms offer fantastic opportunities for promoting your mini woodworking projects. By sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your creative process, you can engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Showcasing your work in progress and finished pieces allows potential customers to see the effort and dedication that goes into each creation. Engaging with your audience through comments and feedback can foster a sense of loyalty and encourage word-of-mouth marketing, which is invaluable for any emerging business. Another key aspect of growing your woodworking business is understanding the importance of branding. A strong, cohesive brand identity can set you apart from competitors and resonate with your target audience. This involves not only the quality of your products, but also how you present them. Consistent branding across your packaging, social media, and website can create a recognizable image that instills trust and familiarity in potential customers. Consider how you can infuse your unique style and personality into every aspect of your business, from the materials you choose to the stories you tell. Pricing your mini woodworking projects appropriately is crucial for establishing a profitable venture. While it can be tempting to underprice your creations to attract customers, it's essential to consider the value of your time, effort, and materials. Conduct market research to understand the pricing trends within your niche and find a balance that reflects the quality of your work while remaining competitive. By positioning your products as valuable pieces of art, you can command higher prices and ensure a sustainable profit margin. Networking with other artisans and entrepreneurs can also pave the way for growth. Collaborating on projects, participating in craft fairs, or joining local maker communities can provide valuable exposure and opportunities to learn from others. These connections can lead to new ideas, potential partnerships, and a supportive network that encourages your entrepreneurial journey. Sharing resources, insights, and experiences can help you navigate the challenges of running a small business while fostering a sense of camaraderie among fellow creators. As you develop your mini woodworking projects, consider the potential for customization. Personalized items can command a premium price and attract customers looking for unique gifts or decor that reflects their individual style. Offering customization options can set you apart from competitors, allowing you to cater to specific preferences and creating a more meaningful connection with your customers. Whether it's through color choices, sizes, or design elements, the ability to tailor products to your clientele can enhance their appeal and increase sales. Sustainability is another crucial factor in today's market. Consumers are becoming more environmentally conscious, often seeking products that align with their values. By sourcing materials responsibly and emphasizing eco-friendly practices in your woodworking process, you can attract a clientele that prioritizes sustainability. Communicating your commitment to environmentally friendly practices can further enhance your brand's reputation and appeal, making your mini woodworking projects not only stylish, but also responsible choices. As you refine your craft and build your business, don't forget to invest in your skills. Continuing education, whether through online courses, workshops, or mentorship, can enhance your woodworking abilities and keep you abreast of industry trends and techniques. The more you learn, the more you can innovate and elevate your projects, ensuring your offerings remain fresh and appealing to your audience. This commitment to growth can position you as an expert in your field, further establishing your brand. Finally, remember that patience and persistence are key to any entrepreneurial endeavor. Building a successful home decor business through mini woodworking projects takes time, effort, and resilience. Celebrate small victories along the way, whether it's completing a challenging project, receiving positive feedback from customers, or reaching a sales milestone. Each step forward is a testament to your dedication and creativity, reinforcing your passion for woodworking and your commitment to your business. Embrace the journey and let your creativity shine as you carve out your niche in the world of home decor. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in our mini woodworking projects. If you found the content valuable and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. Your support means everything to us and helps us continue creating fresh content. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might also enjoy exploring the world of woodworking and home decor. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more innovative ideas and projects in the future.